Looking for a multi-generation luxury home? This one checks the box in Covington, Georgia, a suburb in Metro Atlanta. Not one master suite, but two, one main level, one upstairs. What do you get in a multi-generation home? Today I'm going to show you what luxury meets at $1.39 million. Well, this is a multi-generation home located in Walton County. As I bring you this tour, you will be delighted on what it has to offer. 5-bedroom, luxurious kitchen. Oh, even an outdoor rooftop patio. And the covering great for your kitchen. But let me not spoil this. Walton County is outside of Metro Atlanta. It backs up between Covington, Georgia, social circle. But this one is located in Covington, Georgia. Today I'm bringing this tour of this luxurious home. I'm Lucretia Ramsey, a local real estate agent, been serving Atlanta for 4 decades, just over 40 years. Let us bring the tour. And I want you to tell me at the end which room resonates with you. Do me a favor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification so you can keep up on all the tours as I bring you the different price range so you get a feel what it's like living in Atlanta, Georgia. As you step inside this home, and once you get inside and you see that it's let's step in so that you can see what this home offers. An open, very open kitchen area with the waterfall countertop, and you can see 4 or maybe 6, it depends. And look at that backsplash on that quartz countertop. Lots of windows, bright and open, 2-story kitchen and great room. You'll get a lot of sunlight in this home. Conversational room. What do you think about the black sink? Look at that custom vent and the pot holder and that stove. Look at that high-end stove. Lots of drawers. Sub-zero refrigerator. Let's open it up. No carpet in this home. You don't get that. And the marble electric fireplace all the way up. Now let's step in primary bedroom 1. It's on the wing on the opposite side of the house. Lots of windows, bright and open and airy. And it even have a little area for your sitting room. A 6-panel door. Here's your floating tub on the outside. Oh, look at this shower. We're gonna come back to that. You have some windows, so you have that two light. Oh, your custom closet. We need that custom closet. We call this an oversized his and her with 2 shower head, rainfall shower heads, tile all the way up top, and windows for some light. You can be on one side, he can be on the other side, or whatever. Hey, let's sit down and relax as we enjoy a shower. Truly a multi-generational home. Let's step on the other side of the house. Here is bedroom 2. It's on wing on an opposite side, far away from the primary thing. Main level bedroom 2. And it has its private bath. Now this house features the black countertop, the bowl, and the black shower. Here's the the main level 2 bathroom with the black tile straight on up to the top with the frameless shower door and the built-in. Make sure you have your area for your towels. step into, sometimes some people call this the dining, but we call this the gathering room. The gathering room, in here, you can have your guests gather here. And also, you gotta look behind this closet. Let's open up this closet door. Surprise! Wow! There's a bar. You can put your cocktails in there, and you can pull out, have a cigar in here. And it has a built-in cabinet. You can step outside to the deck, to the patio. Let's go upstairs and see. As we go upstairs, let's see what